Good morning. I just created this video for the purpose of, you know, to show you my understanding in the task that you have gave me. That's the very last part of the last exam that you have provided. So this is to simplify the calculation just using the FBA referral fees, FBA pick and pack fees, inbound shipment fees, and product purchase cost. I need to calculate it in a Google Sheet. So I'll be using an estimated amount of purchase from $3 to $20 with 50 cents increment. So yeah, but I already have that here. So purchase cost range is $3 to 20 with increment of 50 cents. So buy box price is 22.62. I got it from the Amazon first result of Medistik when you go to the Amazon.ca and search for Medistik. So that's what I've used. The amount of 22.62, and the weight in grams is 58 grams as per the product description. And then I've calculated it based on the assumption of $1 per kilogram, or that is um, 0.001 um, per gram. That's the amount that you need to pay if that is a live fee, because that is $1. If of course that is 1,000 grams, or 100 cent, or 100 cents per 1,000 grams, because one kilo is 1,000 grams. So that is amounting to 0.001. And then inbound shipment fee should be, if that is the cost, so per gram, so that is 58 grams, so that is 0.058 cents. And then with that shipment fee, okay, so FBA referral fee, so 3.39, and then FBA pick and pack 3.47. So, and then from there I'm calculating the sum of um, the shipment to from our warehouse to um, Amazon warehouse. So plus FBA referral fee and the FBA fulfillment. So that's the pick and pack and shipment to the customer. So the gross margin from $3 is 12.70. So I'll use that example to match with the Amazon calculator. So just to show you that it's matching. So first I've searched for Medistik in the Amazon.ca website. So I'll just click on the very first result. Okay, so here you'll see the box or the buy box price, and then the buy box. And then I go down or scroll down to see the product description. So here it is. So I'll just get the async and then go to the fulfillment by Amazon revenue calculator and then paste the async there and then search for the product. Click it again. So here I already got the information, the unit weight, the dimensions. So I'll use that amount to calculate. So let's say, or let's say that the shipping is 0. So we have some friends delivering it to Amazon warehouse for free. So let's just say, and then let's say we don't know the actual details. So let's just approximate it to $5, I guess. And then storage, let's say we don't pay for the storage, we're just using some part of our house, let's say. Cost of the product, so let's say, so we'll start with the $3 example, right? And then let's try to calculate it. Okay, there you go. So shipping 0. So it says here selling on Amazon fees. So that's the referral fee. So we got 339 and then 347 for the fulfillment fee. So it says here there will only be one fulfillment fee per unit rather than a weight handling fee per shipment plus a separate pick and pack fee for each unit. So I guess we just need to use this amount just for the product fulfillment fee. And there you go. So it says here 12.76. I guess it's a little bit higher here. Let me check what part is the variance. Could be this. 339, 347. So it's matching. Oh, because the Amazon calculator is not including the weight because it's already here. So that's the only difference. That's why it's showing 12.76. Shipment to Amazon. So there. So I forgot to include that. So because of course we should be having a separate cost for that because we're gonna send the product from our warehouse to Amazon warehouse, so that will cost 0.058 cents. So let's recalculate it. So .058 cents is calculated based on the amount per gram. So that's 0.001 cent. Okay, so I think that's matching now. So 12.70 would be our gross margin there, which is matching with how the Amazon FBA calculator is being calculated based on the amount that we use. Okay, so I think that's it. So that's how I calculated things in this Google Sheets that I've shared you. So it's already here, the task and then the answers and then the sample calculation here. So I've used just the simple RE formula just to, you know, but I don't think I can use RE formula for some other part of, because it's not applicable to some. But I've used it as long as I can, utilize it in here, just like what you said. Okay, well, so I think that's it. I hope that you'll like it. So the way the way I research things and calculate things in a Google Sheet. Thank you.